I'm going to take my dotting tool. And I'm going to do like Amy does with so many of her blooms, although I don't know, kind of feeling a little bit something something. Hi guys, welcome back to APOKREATIONS. This is going to be part of the Bloom collab hosted by Tina at Pours Resin with Love, Susie at Serendipity Creations, Petra Youngblood, and Amy at Resonating Art by Amy M. This is actually our second Bloom collaboration, so be sure to check out the description below for the link to the playlist. You will not be disappointed. So here I am pouring, I mixed up Apex Resin High Gloss, and I'm just pouring it slowly around the edges because these scallop kind of edges tend to create a lot of bubbles. So just trying to minimize, you know how it goes. All right, let me pop these bubbles. Oh, hang on. Sorry if my head's in the way. I'm just trying to see around the edges here. Okay, I think that's it. And yes, I know I don't have gloves on, but look, I've been trying to get this done for 2 days, and every time I do it, somebody interrupts me and something goes wrong. So, starting out, they're all Glitter Heart Co. Sparkly inks. Okay, next is Aladdin. Faya. Okay, then we got Veda. And finally, Cleo. All right, so now that that's all done, oi, goodness, I'm gonna take my dotting tool. And I'm going to do like Amy does with so many of her blooms, although I don't know, kind of feeling a little bit something something. Okay. Now I have gotten this bulb thingy. Okay. Whoop. Where is my dotting tool? Oh, goodness. Okay, so I think that's all I'm going to do, other than pop some bubbles. All right, so I'm crossing my fingers and hoping that this actually blooms. All right, so this is cured enough to add the back layer, I guess you could say. So that is what I'm going to do. To it, I am adding the Mayspring White Chalcedony. I don't want to add too much. Oh, so let's see what it looks like. Oh, hang on, I gotta turn on my other light. Now it's getting darker. It's afternoon here. Well, almost evening. And this is, again, the Eli Chem Mastercast that I got from Laura at Laura's Art Corner. Check out her stuff. She's got all of the Eli Chem Aquacast stuff and the resin. She's got the res and octopus fluids. And then she's got her own amazing line of glitters and pigments that are to die for. So look at that. Oh, such a pretty pearl. So I just wanted it kind of opaque enough to give the, you know, the colors a background, but not so heavy as to take it over, if that makes sense. I don't know. I'm feeling like I'm not making much sense in the last couple of days because it just, you know, there's some. Okay, where's my... All right, so fingers crossed that this has come out in a decent bloom. Look, I just want it to have some bloom because the last 3 tries have been something. And I'll show you, I ended up taking this one because it was so thin and I made it into a bowl. So hopefully I will be able to take that out. And then the other one is also not blooming. So I'm probably going to make that into a bowl too. So stay tuned for the reveal. Okay guys, time to demold. Oh, and I have to show you my nails. Yeah, I got cat eye stuff on there. Oh, I do have a little over pour, but it is not wanting to let go. So it's not too bad. I mean, it bloomed. I probably shouldn't have put all of these dots. But it is really pretty, and I love that background color. All right. I'm going to get all of this overpour off of there and stay tuned for the glamour shots. Do me a favor and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the bloom. Be sure to check out the description, my description below for the playlist for the Bloom collab. And watch all of the amazing bloom creations. Subscribe if you're not already. I'm on my way to trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. So I would appreciate it. To all my current subscribers and my members, thank you very much. You hold a special place in my heart. Stay tuned for the glamour shots, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Take care and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.